Hey guys, today we're gonna making some sambar, and now we have to cut some onions. So we're cutting.
Cooking
And then we
sambar.
finally chopped, and now we already put it the pulp, the water. Now this is the thing we have to put in a sambar for the flavor. We have to chop one chili, put it inside.
Looks tasty, doesn't it?
You can just pause the video and get all the stuff from it.
But kids always stay away from hot oil.
So it's happening. It's cooking. Now you have to peel a carrot. Carrots you want. Peel it properly. Use an adult's help. Cut it. Finely chop it. This is sambar.
Let this cook while you are
Chopping. Put in. To cut another carrot is equal to 2 carrots. Finish cutting. Put it inside. Let it cook, and this is the, I don't know what you call it. Something. It's the pulp of some grains. You just have to grind it to water. And another green chili.
bean.
No, it's not green chili. There are beans. Beans. The beans. Put at least 3 beans.
Let's flip this.
Beans. Put some
Curry leaves.
wash them and put it inside. Now let's put some garlic.
I'm
Smash
taking
it.
video.
Let's smash it. Now we have to smash it. That's
So
very
some
nice.
garlic. Kadama.
Take off the skin and then you have to smash. This is an adult cell. Might get hurt.
I'll just
Put
stir
it
it
inside so you can see. Now we have to. Now we have to just wait. The beauty of the sambar. So nice. Now we have to cut some tomatoes. Finely chop them and put inside the sambar. Maybe wash them. Cut
Tomato.
them. Do not wash after you cut. So the nutrients will go off.
Salt.
Put some salt. Boom.
A spoon of salt.
And the salt. Some
1 teaspoon of chili.
So
1
put some
tablespoon
turmeric
of
powder.
turmeric.
It's bad. Put some garam masala.
What is that? Some
Sambar powder. Not
powder.
garam masala. Sambar powder. You want to make a sambar flavor. Put some pulp inside. Pulp water.
Mixing.
Pulp water. Okay. Some of the pulp
Come
water.
right back
All.
into your
Mix. Mix for the time.
to do next with the sambar? Eat it. Duh.